If you think about it, as you have one thought, another one comes, and another one comes. And a lot of people say, well, where does thought come from? I know I used to have that question a lot, like, okay, where do all of these thoughts come from? They say we have 60,000 thoughts per day. Where do they come from? And a lot of people at first thought that the brain creates the thoughts that we have. But in actuality, what happens is thought is, I guess you could say, actualized in the brain. The brain is the receiver of information. This field of infinite possibility, or God, literally is constantly creating. And if you really think about thought itself, every thought that you have is preceded by an action. Emerson actually even said that thought is the ancestor of action. So every thought that you have itself is every thought that you have is a creation all on its own. The beautiful thing about this is, prior to you receiving the thought, that field of potential, God, literally is the organizing power. This is where thought and everything that has ever happened and ever will happen literally manifests from. Basically, God is constantly folding and enfolding consciousness. Basically, as I was saying before, blinking in and out of existence. Here's what that means. If you look at quantum physics, the subatomic particles, which can be called quarks and bosons and all of these things, literally, they are literally everything around you. Everything around this room itself is the result of thought. The chair, the camera, your physical bodies, you being here, you had to have a thought prior to being here. I mean, everything is a result of thought. Well, what happens is these subatomic particles, which are basically, you take an atom, and below the atom, you have the electromagnetic energy that evolves around the atom. And these photons and these quarks and all of these different things, and I know these are, could be crazy or kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Confusing name, so to speak. But just understand this. Everything that appears to be solid is literally at a state that is just literally blinking in and out of existence at a speed that is so fast, your sensory apparatus cannot basically process at the same speed in which it is blinking in and out of existence. So you get the appearance of a physical object.